welcome back to my channel, and today's my birthday, and I know what you're thinking, my glasses are cute. But that's not the point at all. The point is, I got a bird.
It's a live animal, and it has a human life source.
It has a human life source.
And me and Ken kept going back and forth saying, I got a bird. I got a bird. Anyways, roll the footage. So we weren't planning on getting a bird. I just wanted to go to Petco and look at the animals. But then we started looking at the birds and talking about which one we liked. Looking at that one right there.
Which one?
The one that's underneath all of them.
Why?
I don't know. She seems comfy. And then I asked my dad if I can get one. I didn't think he would say yes, but he did. So then we got to choose which one we wanted.
Which one do you like? Which one?
I like the one on the ladder right there. Up there. Up there on the ladder. The one on the ladder up there.
Is that him? Yep.
I'm getting a bird. You're getting a bird. I'm getting a bird. A bird. A bird. A bird. Okay.
Long story short, we got a bird.
Yeah, we got a bird, and it's
a live
right here. So it all started with just saying, I want a bird.
It all started when you wanted to go to Petco, Lala.
Yeah, and I was like, oh, I really want a bird. Because I have always been wanting a bird, like a parrot, since I started liking parrots. Handle with care. Trying my best.
You're not trying your best because you're not holding on to it.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Hold on to it, please.
Hold on for
dear life.
Yes, for dear life. It's like a baby right now.
And it's a parakeet.
And he also blue.
Yeah, it's blue, and we're thinking of naming her or him Minnie? Mickey? Oh my
Is that
God.
the bird?
Yeah, it's a bird.
It's a bird. Long story short, we got a bird.
Yeah, and the bird's chirping. Oh my God.
Oh,
Did you guys pick a fussy bird?
you don't know what it's like being.
He just is excited to go in our house.
Oh, you're right, Bubba. Yeah.
Oh, snakes.
A Mickey Mouse little toy thing. I don't know, but it's like really cute. So that's why we named him Mickey, because he really liked this toy. All the birds really liked this toy, so that's why we were planning to name any of the birds Mickey. And then we have his bird food, and then we're gonna start building the cage.
Hi guys, today is my sister's birthday, and today we got a pet for him, and his name is, what's his name?
Mickey.
Mickey.
So we decided to put the bird in my room so it can get to know me and my voice better.
Are you gonna be able to grab it, Lottie?
Huh?
Are you gonna be able to grab it?
I don't know.
You just have to grab it. Good job, baby. Go put it in. Don't throw it in. Put it in nicely. Good job. Gentle. Gentle. Beautiful. That was good, buddy.
Oh, I'm so happy.
Easy little bird.
Oh my God.
So here he is, all comfy and cozy in his new habitat. So of course I needed to introduce him to the friend fam. And I wanted to play some parakeet noises so he can feel at home.
It's cute.
It's finally moving. I'm gonna change the video. Alright guys, that's it for this video. It has been like the best birthday ever. But now I'm gonna go talk to Mickey so he gets used to my voice, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys!